इंडियन डाइट वर्सेस वेस्टर्न डाइट कौन सी बेटर होती है? इंडियन डाइट बेटर है? क्यों, कैसे, क्या?
क्लासिक इंडियन.
क्लासिक इंडियन डाइट क्या?
How your grandparents ate.
Okay. Tell me key differences.
So I've said this multiple times over multiple forums that if India's invested money to do right now if you Google best diet in the world, आएगा Mediterranean. But look at the Mediterranean diet to ours. Very similar. Very, very similar. The Indian thali literally can be an example of the best plate in the world. So look at the Indian thali. We always have a little bit of salad, always have a little bit of fermented achar, which is today called probiotics. We'll have at least 2 प्रकार की सब्जी, 1-2 प्रकार की दाल या chicken. We'll have carbs. Carbs होते हैं. I'm not saying that.
Heavy.
Okay? Carbs होते हैं. But it's a balanced थाली. और अगर आप वो ऐसी थाली में बैठोगे जहाँ वो सर्विंग करके देते हैं आपकी थाली को, they serve it in this order. You remember I taught you meal sequencing.
Oh, yeah.
So when we sit down on a leaf and they come and sequence it for you, they actually give it to you in the same format. Okay? So there is always logic behind what our ancestors have done. See, if you pick up any trend, where has it come from? You call it yoga, you call it meditation, you call it turmeric lattes. कहाँ से आया ये? It's our Vedas and our culturally, we were nutritionally a very apt community. Till we thought that this our ghar ka thali is too boring. Let's ape the West. Let's see convenience. Let's see packaging. Let's see 2-minute foods. That's where the trouble arises. If we go back to how our thali was made, our thali is marvelously healthy. Our thali follows, our ancestors have followed what today science will call chronobiology. What is chronobiology? What our ancestors have always done. Sunrise pattern, sunset pattern. Biggest meal is breakfast, smallest meal is dinner. Always told to us. Today science does studies and researches and calls it chronobiology, and then we follow the same thing. Okay, so there was a very interesting study that they did. They took 100 obese women, gave them an isocaloric diet. Isocaloric, but divided according to chronobiology. Okay. Big breakfast, 700 calories. Small lunch, 500 calories. Smallest dinner, 200 calories. King, prince, pauper. जैसे हमारी दादी बोलती थी. And then they took group 2. Isocaloric, same calories, but reverse. 200 calorie breakfast, 500 calorie lunch, 700 calorie dinner. Both groups were given for 12 weeks this diet. Group 1 lost double the weight as group 2. Chronobiology is something that we have been told to do our whole lives. Culturally, us. So when you say which diet is best, if we go back and we do it, we have really, our ancestors had masters and BSc and PhDs in nutrition, even without doing basic nutrition.
But is it different in the North and the South?
Everywhere.
Like, is it like North Indian gut is different than South Indian gut? The things which a South Indian will be able to easily digest, a North Indian won't be able to, and vice versa.
Yeah, because this is all again genes, right? The Dravidians.
तो फिर classic Indian diet सबके लिए same नहीं होगी ना? That just
हमारी सब्जियां अलग होगी, हमारे कार्ब्स अलग होंगे, हमारा थाली का डिविजन सिमिलर होगा. अगर वहाँ ज़्यादा फर्मेंटेड इडली डोसा होगा, वहाँ रोटी होगी, वहाँ राइस होगा. द कार्ब विल वेरी, द मेथड ऑफ preparing the दूधी की सब्जी और करेले की सब्जी will be different, but the diet.
But are there any major differences between a North Indian and South Indian?
I would classify it to taste, nothing else.
Okay.
Because in general,
just taste and preferences.
Yeah, taste and preferences. It's not that
biologically there's nothing, or evolutionary, because of so many years, so many things.
So many years, that's the only thing that we have all in common is our thrifty gene, our tendency to be storers. That's all we have to remember. That's why we have to move more. That's why our emphasis on physical activity has to be more.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.